Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, kind of like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. Now, if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one on the end, and it should work just as well. Now, from there, we want to take out the tray, which will be located on the top left side of the device if you're holding it in a portrait mode. So, like this. As you can see, the pen is holding right now in the little area where you're supposed to push it in. So, push it in, and you can see that the tray will pop out, enough for you to grab it and drop it. There we go. So, on the tray, we have space for SIM card and SD card. So you just place each one of the cards on the tray. Now there's nothing holding them in place, so if you flip it upside down, at least the SIM card, I believe, yep, will fall out. The SD card actually stays in place. So there we go. So just make sure that they're laying flush on the tray. Now I'm not gonna actually insert this SD card because, I mean, you get the point, you just kind of pop it in there like this, and it will start working automatically. So you don't need to do anything extra for either SIM or SD card. Now the SIM card that I inserted is kind of not functioning, so it's deactivated, so it's not going to really show up with any kind of reception, but we should have it visible if we go into the mobile network. No, not mobile network. Where is it? Carrier, no. I'm not exactly sure where Huawei has their settings for SIM card, unless there's a possibility that they don't, and because it only supports obviously mobile network, and in this case I don't have any way to show it because the SIM card is deactivated. Now, additionally, if the SIM card doesn't work for you right away, what you could do is reboot the device. So hold your power button and then select restart. When the device boots back up, the card should start working without a problem. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.